Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Want to bring a vast, realistic ocean to your Blender scenes? It's surprisingly simple, even for beginners. Blender's powerful Ocean Modifier does most of the heavy lifting for you, allowing you to generate complex water surfaces with just a few clicks. We will explore how to set up this modifier, add basic materials, and even animate the waves to create a dynamic, lifelike ocean. Get ready to dive into creating beautiful aquatic landscapes effortlessly. Every great ocean starts with a humble foundation, a simple plane. In Blender, head to Add, then Mesh, and select Plane to introduce it into your scene. Now, this is crucial. Before applying the modifier, scale your plane up significantly, perhaps by 20 or 30 units, to cover a broad area. Then, give it ample subdivisions. Roughly 50 to 100 will allow the modifier to create detailed, believable waves. This preparation is key for a realistic outcome. With your subdivided plane ready, it is time for the magic. Go to the Modifiers tab, click Add Modifier, and choose Ocean. Immediately, you will see a detailed water surface appear. Experiment with the scale slider to define the overall size of your waves, making them small ripples or large swells. The choppiness setting dictates how sharp and foamy the wave crests appear. Remember to set the resolution higher for finer detail, ensuring your ocean looks crisp and convincing. An ocean isn't just about shape, it needs the right material to truly come alive. Switch to the shader editor and create a new material for your ocean plane. For a basic water look, adjust the base color to a deep blue-green hue. Critically, increase the transmission value to nearly 1, allowing light to pass through. Finally, bring down the roughness to a low value, around 0.1 or 0.05, for that characteristic watery sheen. These steps ensure your ocean looks transparent and reflective. Now, let's bring your ocean to life with movement. In the Ocean Modifier, hover over the time parameter, right-click and select Insert Keyframe at your starting frame. Move your timeline forward, adjust the time value, and insert another keyframe. This creates a gentle, continuous wave animation. Don't forget to add a strong light source, like a sun lamp, to catch those beautiful reflections. For the best visual quality, render your final animation using Blender's Cycles engine. Your animated ocean is ready to impress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.